Hey guys, this is Anis Tariq. Welcome back to another interesting video. Today's video is very interesting because today I'm going to show you how to send and receive SMS from your laptop or desktop. So before I start, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. So first of all, open any browser, then searching for message, then enter. And here is message for web. Just click and opening a message website, and here saying you have to scan QR for using this message service on your phone. Open message app. If you don't have, you have to download from Play Store, this one. So if you don't have, just go to Play Store and then search for message, then select this one. This is one from Google. I already downloaded this, so set it for default messaging app, then open and click on three dot menu on the top right corner, and here is device pairing. Just click on, then QR code scanner, then just scan QR code, then it automatically pairing. But if you have to always connect it to the Wi-Fi or mobile data, then you will send or receive message from your laptop or desktop. So each showing notification for remembering this computer. If you are using your personal laptop, so you can remember it for regular use. So it will remember your messaging. So as you can see, all phone messages synchronize here. For example, this one, so I can send any message from here. So but it not sent because I think this on the SIM I don't have enough balance for, so that's why it not work. I already remembered this, so when I close this browser and open again, it works same. Then Google message Google, then as you can see, it directly open it. But if you think this service is disturbing, you can unpair from your laptop. Just click on three dot and just select this unpair, and your messaging service will disconnect it, so you are not longer to send or receive message from your laptop. If you use this message service again, then again you do scan this QR code and it will automatically connect and synchronize. So that's it. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.